A maverick Japanese doctor has just leaked secret ingredients that trigger a rare, master fat-burning hormone inside your body. The unique metabolic blend inside the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports a faster metabolism, burns away excess fat and calories at an astonishing rate, maintains healthy digestion. Simply mix the Okinawa tonic powder with water each morning, around 1 to 2 hours after eating a small breakfast, and benefit from all-day-long healthy metabolism, digestion and soaring energy. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is perfectly safe to take, contains natural ingredients, and is made in an FDA-approved and GMP, good manufacturing practices, facility with regular checks and tests for potency and quality. And right now, everyday Americans like Susan Atlee are using the exact same ingredients, to lose an incredible 54 pounds in only 7 weeks. This secret, island fat loss tonic, will blow your mind. In fact, Susan had already lost 24 pounds in just a few weeks and I could hardly recognize her. Incredibly, it turns out that Susan continued to melt away a total of 54 pounds over the weeks that followed, all thanks to this amazing, secret island tonic that completely unlocked her body's natural ability to incinerate fat and radically transformed her suffering waistline into a flat, toned and stunning belly. In fact, this West Japanese island tonic has been used by the Okinawan tribes for 3,000 years. It's been proven to activate a rare fat-burning hormone in your body and melt away up to 3 pounds of fat every 72 hours. All because it directly targets the root cause of body fat. It's also the single biggest reason why the native Okinawa people still have the lowest levels of overweight people on the planet today. And the best part? It's healthy and it tastes like a dessert. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make at home. Want to see what helped Susan melt away every pound she wanted, without making any changes to her diet or lifestyle? I am an affiliate for the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This video and/or article contains affiliate links for this product. I may or may not receive a commission for the